Hello. We continue with simultaneous equation. Let's look at WASSCE November 2019 question 8b. Given that m plus n is equal to 5 and m minus n equal to 4, find the value of m squared minus n squared. Okay, so before we can find the value of m squared minus n squared, then you have to know what m is and what n is from the two simultaneous linear equations you are given. Alright, so here I'm going to solve this question in two ways: elimination and substitution, since they can be solved in all the two ways, so that since you have learned on elimination and substitution, you get it well. Okay, so you have m plus n to be 5, equation 1, m minus n to be what? 4, equation 2. So here we are fortunate here, the coefficient of m and the coefficient of in both equations are the same. Here is 1, here is 1. Even the coefficient of n and in both equations, though one is positive and one is negative, they are also the same, and you can eliminate. All right. Okay, so let's use, we are going by elimination method first, then go by the substitution method. So let's eliminate m. I want to eliminate m. So since they are all positive and their coefficients are the same, and I'm going to subtract the two equations. So let me say, I will say equation 1 minus equation 2. All right, so if it is 1 minus equation 2, then m minus m, then write plus, then I have n minus, remember here is minus n, so minus n. All right, and then 5 minus 4. So we have m minus m here, and then n minus n, okay, then 5 minus 4. So m minus m will go away to be 0, then n minus n will be n plus n, and then 5 minus 4 will give me 1. So 2n will equal to 1. And what will be my n? 1 over 2. So our n here is going to be 1 over 2. Alright, we have gotten the value of n. Okay, so now let's look for the value of m. Simple. So put n is equal to 1 over 2 into, say, equation 1. Okay, so from equation 1, what can we say? M plus 1 over 2 equal to 5. Okay, so I'll substitute, I'll put wherever I see n 1 over 2 here. So what is my common denominator? 2. So I'll multiply 2 by 2. I have 2m plus 2 will cancel itself here, 1. And then 2 times 5 will give me what? 10. So 2 multiply m and 2 multiply 5, and 2 will cancel itself here. So I have 2m to be equal to 10 minus 1. And what will be my 10 minus 1? 9. And my m is going to give me 9 on 2. 9 on 2. So my n is 1 over 2. My m is 9 on 2. So if I'm asked to find m squared minus n squared, then what will be my m squared? 9 on 2 squared minus 1 on 2 also squared. Alright? What is 9 squared? 81. What is 2 squared? 4. Minus 1 squared is 1. Then this one also be 4. Okay. So we have a common denominator as 4. Okay. So 81 minus 1 will give me what? 80. So that will give me 80 on 4. 4 goes into 8, which is what? 2. So I'll get my answer to be 20. So m squared minus n squared is going to give me 20. Okay, which is 80 on 4. 80 on 4. Okay. So that is that. So simple like that. Okay, so let's use the substitution method to and see. M plus n is 5, equation 1. M minus n is 4, equation 2. So I can say that from equation 2, it implies from equation 2, my m can be what? 4 plus n. And let me call this equation 3. So I can make m the subject from equation 2. And my m will be equal to 4 plus n. And let me call this one as equation 3. Alright. So that this is my expression for m. So that since I made m the subject in equation 2, I'm going to substitute m into equation what? Into equation 1. Okay, so I'll put m into equation 1, because the subject was made from equation 2. So from equation 1, what is m? 4 plus n equal to 5. So from equation 1, my m is 4 plus n, so 4 plus n plus the n equal to 5. So I'll have what? I'll take the m here, the 4 here, n plus n will give me 2n, and then 5 minus 4. Alright, so 4 will come here. So my 2n is going to be what? 5 minus 4 is 1, and my n is going to be 1 over 2. What is my n? 1 over 2. 1 over 2 we have here. Alright, so the rest we continue from here. Put n equal to 1 over 2 into equation 1. Then you do your substitution, and then you continue and get your answer. So it's the same thing that we had here. The rest you continue, and then you put n into equation 1 or any of the equation. So let me say put n into equation, say 3. So equation 3. So my m will be equal to what? 4 plus 1 over 2. And what will be 4 plus 1 over 2? 4 plus 1 over 2 is going to give me 9 on 2. 9 on 2. That is 4 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so this is my answer. I will see you once more as we solve more questions. Bye bye.